आप एक सेल्समैन हैं ऑलराइट, फक्र कीजिए कि एक सेल्समैन है, बिकॉज सेल्समैनशिप इज द बेस्ट प्रोफेशन इन दिस वर्ल्ड। लेकिन एक सेल्समैन होने के नाते आपको पता है कि वो एक चीज क्या है जो दुनिया के हर सेल्समैन को महान सेल्समैन बनाती है। यूं तो बहुत सारे सेल्समैन हैं दुनिया में, बट सम सेल्समैन आर एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी। Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. In this video, I want to talk to all those of you who have chosen sales as your career. And in this video, I want to share one tip, the final tip, which actually makes an extraordinary salesperson. Friends, फायदा क्या है? एक ordinary salesman होके क्या फायदा है? What is the use of being an ordinary salesman? You are successful. Yes, of course you are successful, because the day you chose sales as a career, you are successful anyway. You are earning money. Of course you are earning money. But then, is earning money the only parameter that is going to make you a successful and extraordinary salesperson? Probably not. You are getting promotions in your job. You have all got regular promotions and appraisals. Okay, this only means that you are moving ahead in your life. This does not say that you are extraordinary. What is that one tip which makes you extraordinary? You are able to talk very well. Your communication skills are very good. Okay, happy about that. But then there are so many other professions where communication skill is good. Just having great communication skills will not make you a great extraordinary salesperson. Well, you feel that you are very hardworking. Okay, congratulations that you are hardworking. But then, just working hard will not make you a great, extraordinary salesperson. I'm sure you understand that. You are working for a great brand, and the brand itself sells very well, and you are riding on the pool wave, you're riding on the conveyor belt of success provided by your brand. Well, thank you very much, and further congratulations to you. But does that make you a great, extraordinary salesperson? Probably not. Dosto, if you want to become an extraordinary salesperson, you need to understand the power of sales closings. क्योंकि सिर्फ सेल्स कॉल करोगे तो एक हिट रेशियो के हिसाब से धंधा तो आएगा. You know, there is something called hit ratio. So even if you are an average salesperson, if you meet X number of people, you will get one customer. And every time you meet X number of people, you will get one customer. जैसे जैसे आपकी salesmanship अच्छी होती जाएगी, वो X का फिगर कम होता जाएगा. शुरुआत में शायद 20 नए लोगों को मिलते हैं तो एक ग्राहक मिलती है. धीरे धीरे 15 को मिलेंगे तो एक ग्राहक मिलने लगेंगे, 10 को मिलेंगे तो एक ग्राहक बनने लगेंगे. कम से कम करके your hit ratio will come down to 5. यानी 5 नए आगंतुक को मिलेंगे अपने टारगेट मार्केट में, एक ग्राहक बन जाएगा. तो समय के साथ आपकी हिट रेशियो 20:1 से लेके 5:1 तक चली जाएगी. जब तक आपकी हिट रेशियो 5:1 आएगी, आपकी उम्र 45 साल हो जाएगी और आप सेल्स की दुनिया में बुड्ढे कहलाओगे, है ना. तो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी सेल्स पर्सन बनना है तो राइट फ्रॉम day one in your career, you have to understand the importance of sales closings. Yes, ABC, always be closing. So an extraordinary salesperson is someone who always thinks about sales closing. Right from the time that he starts a call, he thinks about closing the order. Right from the time that he starts talking to a customer, he looks for ways and means of closing, because sales closing is an attitude. Sales closing is not a skill. Of course, there are ways and means to improve your closing. वो आ जाएगी समय के साथ, लेकिन ये एक एटीट्यूड है दोस्तों. एटीट्यूड मैं सिखा नहीं सकता. वो जुनून, वो दिमाग की फितरत, वो सोच, वो फाइनलिटी इन योर माइंड कि भैया जब मैं किसी टारगेट कस्टमर को मिलता हूँ, मुझे उससे धंधा करना है. आई वॉन्ट टू क्लोज दिस बिजनेस, नॉट बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट हिज मनी, not because I want to earn money through him, but because I want to share the benefits of my product and services with the customer. मैं उस कस्टमर का जिंदगी भला करना चाहता हूँ. मेरी प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस जो बेनिफिट्स देने वाली है उस ग्राहक को, उस ग्राहक का मैं जिंदगी बदलना चाहता हूँ. उस ग्राहक की मैं एडवांटेज पोजीशन बदलना चाहता हूँ. I want to become a game changer in the life of my customer through my product and service. This is the attitude which has to get into your mindset first. This attitude will make you an extraordinary salesperson. When you develop this attitude, please check out my other videos on negotiation skills. I have made a video on the 7 laws of negotiation. Go through the video. That will empower you with the definite skills that will help you in your closing ratio. But in this video, understand, you want to become extraordinary salesman, have a closing mindset. Have the attitude to close sales. You are in this business because you want to close the business. You're not in business to just educate people about your product and services. If you have liked my video, friends, this is Sanjay Singh. Please go down and subscribe on the channel, because ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि आपको सेल्स से मोहब्बत है और आप मुझे नहीं जानते हो. अगर ऐसा है तो आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. अगले 30 दिन में I want to show to you why you should be subscribing to my channel and why you should share this free subscription to my channel to all your friends who want to build extraordinary career in sales. This is Sanjay Singh, your sales coach, with a strong mission to empower 1 million salespersons with the science of selling before 2025.